Chances are you've seen tons of videos raving about standing desks, or probably seen a couple at your day job and just always wondered, are they worth it? Having the ability to free up some blood flow while sitting at the same position for hours can go a long way. Subconsciously, you wouldn't even realize how many hours you get stuck at your desk, locked in, working from 24/7, which isn't the most healthy thing you can do for your body. So behind me right here, guys, is the Smart Desk 4, the newest standing desk from Autonomous, and huge thanks to Autonomous for sending this out for me a couple weeks early to test out. You can actually pre-order this Smart Desk 4 now, but you have to hurry up because they might go out fast. I think there's only like 200 units left. I'll leave links in the description for this product. Now, the Smart Desk 4, it does everything that the Smart Desk 2 does, but with way more to offer. So the Smart Desk 4, of course, lets you switch between multiple different heights, from sitting positions to standing positions, and it's smart enough to remember up to 3 different height presets. So one of my coolest new features with the Smart Desk 4 is that it has this new anti-collision feature, which I'll talk about soon. The Smart Desk 4 also will be able to connect to a mobile app that lets you control the desk wirelessly and has features on the app to assist you to work healthier and be more productive, which is a really good game changer. So the app will tell you, hey, maybe it's time to get up if you've been sitting down too long, or it will even show you a couple exercises to do while standing at the desk with the mobile app. But before I go dive head deep into this thing, let me show you my setup process, because I know a lot of you guys always ask, was it easy to set up or not? And for me, it was pretty simple because I've done this thing before. I literally set it up by myself. It took around 15 minutes. It says it would take 5, but for me, since I was solo, they require 2 people, but I was solo, so it took a little bit more than 5 minutes. But yeah, this is what happened. What's going on, everyone? So I just heard the doorbell and I think some top secret stuff has just came into the mail today. Let's go. This thing right here is the Autonomous Smart Desk 4. You can tell that Autonomous really spent time with this year's Smart Desk 4. It's a very solid and a sturdy desk. Even with me on top of it with all the weight, it doesn't even shake, and it also has a nice mechanism that slows down the desk a bit before coming to a sudden stop. Now, as I said before, it has those smart features, and my favorite is the anti-collision. So let me just show you how this works. You have 3 different levels of sensitivity, and I'll show you guys right now. So you just want to hold the M button until the S comes up, starts blinking around 4 or 5 times. Just follow these steps. You see the U off. You want to hit the up until you find P. Now this is where you dial in the 3 different sensitivity levels. So this is the highest sensitivity, P1, then P9. That's the medium sensitivity for anti-collision, and then the lowest sensitivity is P17. So I'm just going to demonstrate a few different objects landing on the table to show you guys how this anti-collision works. Alright, so that was all the different boxes I tried with the low sensitivity. I tried a high sensitivity, and as you can see, this empty box didn't stand a chance. I had to put force with my hands to get the thing to stop. So yeah, that's pretty smart. Alright, so my favorite part about this anti-collision feature is probably the part where when it's going down, it will detect anything under the desk and then stop. So yeah, this thing is really smart. So if I had that feature with the Smart Desk 2, it would have saved my chair. So look at my chair right here, guys. So this is my Ergo Chair 2, and as you can see, this entire arm is not working because with my Smart Desk 2, I actually destroyed the arm. So normally when I'm working, this arm is sometimes lower and this arm is higher. So I had this arm all the way up here. So what happened was my chair was under the desk like this when I had the Smart Desk 2, and I pressed the button to drag down the desk because I was at standing height and I was doing something with my headphones on, only to realize the desk was squished up on the arm. Literally, I was like so shocked. So I quickly just pressed the up button like this. When I pulled off the arm, the slot for it was broken inside. Thankfully, this side didn't get hit, so this is working fine. I could easily get it replaced, but yeah, that's why I'm really excited about the Smart Desk 4, because of that anti-collision feature. It could save ton of money and also lives. If you have kids running around the house, you could always have it like this. You have pets and stuff like that. Sometimes you have your headphones on, you're not aware of your surroundings. So having that anti-collision feature is like a third eye. Alright, so setting this thing up is very simple. All I have to do is just hold the mode button. It will start to flash a couple times. You see the S. Just wait until it's flashing. Almost like you did with the anti-collision up parameters, but now you want to hit 2. When you see the decibels, 17 is like one of the highest sensitivities, so it's gonna be less like sensitive. But I recommend you guys to put this to the lowest, which is 0.1. And I'm gonna show you guys, once you finish with that, you hit this button again and you're good to go. So now I'm gonna show you guys live what this looks like. I'm not cutting this or anything, just showing you guys live. So if I go up on my desk, go up some more, just want to make sure everything is in frame, go a little higher. Alright, so say now for example, we forgot our chair was under here and we pressed the down button. You guys can see it stopped and it went back up. So that's just really cool. And yeah, this Smart Desk 4 is a game changer. Alright guys, so yeah, that was it for my video. Quickly showing you guys the new features with the Smart Desk 4. As I get the new controller, they will be shipping out a new controller for me which has more features and stuff like that, so it could work with the app with the Bluetooth. So make sure you guys are subscribed to know when I get that new updated controller. But hopefully this video gets to like show you what the Smart Desk 4 is capable of. And then again, it's still a regular desk but with added benefits, you know. You could also change the tabletop, which I did right here. So I'm currently using the IKEA tabletop on this because in Canada it doesn't support the XL tabletop. But you could change, they have tons of different colors on the websites that you guys could choose from. I saw this new green one which looks amazing. You could choose different frame colors. Like I said before, links will be down below in the description. But if you guys really want to switch up how you work from home, you guys need this autonomous Smart Desk 4. It's one of the best in the business, and I've been using autonomous products for over like two years or a year now, and I have a catalog of videos you guys could check out from my autonomous videos as well. But as I said before, you guys, if you want this thing, links down below in the description. Thank you guys for watching. As always, love, peace, and tweaks. Signing out.